Pit's playing with his police car. Dolly wants to play too. That's not very nice, Pit. Police are supposed to be nice. Oh no! Help! Policeman, my doll was stolen. Please help me get my dolly back. It's Mr. Lemon.
That's who stole the doll.
He's getting away. Officer Pitt is on the case. Careful! He spilled oil on the road. I think we're stuck, Pitt. Mr. Lemon can't stop us. Now he's even faster. So, we'll take a shortcut. We got you now, Mr. Lemon. Thank you, Policeman, for saving my favorite doll. See, playing with me and Dolly can be fun. It's always better when we play together. I need to get these ducklings across the road. Pit is stopping the cars. Mr. Lemon is up to something. Pit, we did it! The ducklings are safe! Mission complete! Mr. Lemon stole our car!
We need to catch him!
I know what to do! We need backup! Officer Pumpkin will help us!
Hey!
Let's go catch Mr. Lemon! You can't hide from us! Watch out, Officer Pumpkin! We need to drive very carefully. Phew, we made it, but...
Oh no! He's getting away!
Mr. Lemon can't drive across the lake. So he'll float across instead. Our monster truck can't float. Oh no, we can't jump over it. But Officer Pumpkin knows what to do. Pit, don't play with the buttons.
Please press this button.
Now we're tall enough to drive across. Hit has a plan.
I surrender. Well done, kids.
Mr. Lemon sunk our car. Ooh, we get our own monster truck. Thank you, Officer Pumpkin. Blueberry is playing with her new toy robot. There's the car. But where's the robot? Oh no, I've lost my robot. Officer Pitt is here to help.
If something is lost, the police will find it.
Now where could it be? Pitt thinks it fell down the manhole. Pitt and Blueberry will pull it up. Ooh, a treasure chest!
It's not a robot.
You'll need to keep looking. I found the robot. Go get your robot, Blueberry. Uh-oh, the sand is hot. The hot sun heated the sandbox. Now what can you do, Pitt?
Woo, 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 woo! Firefighters will save us from the fire!
Hurry! The robot's in trouble! Water will cool down the sand. You caught the robot, but something is wrong. He has no more energy. Oh no, it's broken. Pitt, who can help now?
An ambulance will save him!
His heart is not working! Pitt, he needs medicine! Yay! The robot is fixed! He just needed new batteries. Thank you! Have fun with your robot, Blueberry! It's cold and raining outside. Toy car is all alone. Don't worry, it's only Baby. She wants to play with you. First, toy car needs to be cleaned up. Baby knows what to do. That's Much better. Toy car got hurt. What are you gonna do, baby? A bandage won't fix the dented hood.
I want to play too!
Hit, you're much too big. Look, Toy Car has no more energy. Toy cars don't drink milk, baby.
This is for little babies!
Pip thinks chips are a better idea. But toy cars can't run on chips. Daddy, can you make Toy Car better?
Each toy needs proper care.
Toy Car uses electricity for energy. Just plug him in. Now he's ready to play. But his hood needs to be fixed. A plunger will do the trick. Toy Car is as good as new. Time for baby to take a ride. Time to catch the school bus.
Hello, kids.
Oops, we knocked over Miss Apple. We better help her up.
You can't run on the bus.
Sorry!
I need to buckle up. Speed, don't forget your seatbelt. Listen to Miss Apple.
You need to fasten your seatbelt on the bus.
Then you'll be safe when the bus is moving. Yay! Blueberry brought snacks. The banana. Speed gets one too. And Blueberry wants chips. Here comes Miss Apple. Did we do something wrong?
You can't eat on the bus, especially unhealthy foods.
I'll share with you, Blueberry. Oh no! Lime is late for the bus.
Don't miss the bus.
Be careful, Lime.
why you can't sit on the bus.
Litter can hurt others. We should put it in the trash. Lime made a cool airplane. Let's all make one. Look at them fly. But now the driver can't see. Oh, we are safe.
This is very dangerous to play games on the bus.
I'm sorry.
Pete, where is your bag?
Don't forget your things on the bus.
Hurry, class is starting. It's fun playing with baby. I'll go get the ball. Hey, where did baby go? Oh no, I've lost the baby. Help me, Pete.
We will find the baby.
Is everything okay, kids?
Look over there, Pete. She must be behind the curtain. Oh, it's a plant. I hear baby giggling in the cupboard. Come on out, baby. That's just a doll. Maybe she came outside. Pete thinks she's in the stroller. Oh, it's a bag. We need Officer Pumpkin's help. We have lost the baby. Footprints. Let's follow them. Watch out for the bushes. Oh, Officer Pumpkin is stuck. Oh, they lead into the toy house. It's a puppy, but we need to find baby.
Let's check at home.
It's an empty milk bottle. Baby must be close by. More footprints to follow. It's a baby. She's sleeping under the crib. Baby has been here all the time. Thank you very much.
Use only safe places to play.
We will, Officer Pumpkin. Bye-bye. Ooh, here comes out suitcases. What did Officer Pumpkin see? Pit, that's not a toy.
Pit, you can get on luggage belt.
Oh, you can hurt yourself.
I'm sorry.
Stop, wait. I'll see where he's going. He wants to watch the planes take off.
Don't run away from us. It's easy to get lost here.
Airports are very busy places. It's easy to get lost. That's a stranger. Always stay with an adult, you know. Time to weigh the suitcases. Yay! It's not too heavy. What about Pit's suitcase? It's too heavy. But why? I think he packed too many toys.
Pete, you've taken too much stuff.
We have to leave some of it behind. Pit thinks planes can carry all of his toys. But if a plane gets too heavy, it can't fly. Pit, I think we're lost. Where are Mommy and Daddy? Oh no, they left without us. Officer Pumpkin, we lost our parents.
Kids, don't cry. I'll take it to your parents.
Mommy and Daddy are looking for me and Pit.
Pete, Penny.
But they can't find us.
Dad!
We asked Officer Pumpkin for help. Thank you, Officer Pumpkin. We must never talk to strangers. Who should we ask for help?
If lost, ask a police officer or flight attendant for help.
Hurry! We'll miss our plane!
No! Wait!
Oh, Daddy! There's another line! Pit doesn't want to wait his turn.
It's important to stay in line.
See? We didn't have to wait long. Bye-bye! What does Mr. Lemon want? He's stealing colors! Now he's stolen my color! Give it back, Mr. Lemon! Pit, it's awful! My color was stolen! Let's use paint! Wow! It didn't work! There, Pit! It's Mr. Lemon!
We will catch the thief of colors!
Now where did he go? Hello, Miss Sun! Ooh, now I'm golden yellow! Watch out, Miss Sun! He took darker yellow color. We need to stop him. He took the cat's orange color.
I'll get your collar back.
I'll help too. He must be around here somewhere. Yum! Sweet purple grapes! Look! I'm purple now! He stole my purple color! Oh! Red apples! Mr. Lemon took that color too! He's in the park! Watch out, Blueberry! Now Mr. Lemon has all the colors! I think Mr. Lemon has too many colors! Yay! We're back to normal! And look at Mr. Lemon! Stealing isn't nice!
Penny! You haven't painted Lemon.
I know what to do! I'll use all the colors! What's going on, Mommy? She wants us to take a bath! But the water is too hot! It's recess time at school! Miss Apple thinks we're getting stinky. Pit doesn't want to share with Perry. And Perry thinks Pit smells.
Yay!
I want to play with Cherry. She wants to give the doll a bath. No way. Everyone thinks we smell bad. Miss Apple thinks we should wash in the pool. No, the water is too cold. Look how dirty we are, Pit. Pit, tell Mommy.
Mom, we need to bathe.
Mommy adds bubble bath. And a rubber ducky.
It's ready!
Look at all the bubbles.
The water isn't hot.
In we go. Thanks, Mommy. Now we'll never be afraid of taking a bath.